pretty girl writing love songs.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while. I really apologize for not uploading anything for so long. Trust me when I say this, things have been really busy, but I do promise I will make a lot more content because it does make me happy and I like staying connected with you guys. So here's my bullet journal plan with me June video for you. If you're somebody like me who doesn't really doodle much but still wants to try bullet journaling, I think this is the video for you. So let's just get right into it. The first page here is the page where I've put a quote on, and with June I really want to try and be better with my time, so this is the quote I used, and this says, "This time like all times is a very good one if we but know what to do with it." And this is by Ralph Waldo Emerson. Now, do I know who he is? No, but I liked what he said, so I just put it up there. And then I'm just trying to throw a banner there. So June is the month in which my birthday is there. Then I have a couple of other birthdays too. So I wanted to doodle a little bit of banners and cakes and stuff.
From the ground, up above, just like below, and I don't know where.
And then here I'm just writing down the month name, which is June, of course. And then here I'm just drawing a banner again. So this is the one I really like. So if you want to attempt that, you basically draw a rectangle and then you draw this bow on each side and then a mini triangle at the bottom, and you just fill that up.
I'm out of love, but I guess I deserved it. Trying to hide, to pass you by. I'm getting down, feeling fine. I'm like
this is the actual calendar for the month.
Lost in a dream, lost in between. Let's keep on flying, let's keep on breathing. I'm falling up, I'm falling down, from the sky and from the ground.
And again, I just wanted to put a quote down at the bottom which just said, "Never let yesterday take up today," which I also thought was really nice. So like I said, June for me is all about time management and being in the moment and keeping things simple. And then also I really like to keep a track of the videos I've uploaded in that month and also the books I've read. If you're interested in knowing the books I've read so far in this year, please follow me on my Instagram. I do share what I've read and my reviews on those. And I'll link my Instagram down below in the description box.
Cause I'm stuck in limbo. Cause I'm stuck in limbo.
And then we move on to the next page, which is my favorite, the habit tracker. And I think habit tracker is the reason why I actually started bullet journaling.
I am here.
And you have 7 columns and 5 rows here, and then each of those small boxes like 4 by 4. And I'm tracking 3 habits this month. I try and not do more than 3 because, let's be honest, that doesn't work. So the first was stretching, and then the other one is night routine. So I really want to make sure that I take care of my skin properly, take my makeup off, and also be a bit more particular about my dental hygiene. And then of course the third one is time management. And the only thing that I want to make sure that I do when it comes to time management is not really touch social media or browse social media before 7 p.m. Try and do that. I really do feel that will make a huge difference as to how my day goes by. So those are the 3 things I want to make sure I do this month. And then now we move on to the monthly goals. Again, this is a spread I like to keep just to have a bigger picture in mind. And if there are some bigger projects that I'm working on, if I have something to get done by the end of this month, I'll write it down over here. Here we have the actual weekly spread, This is also very simple. I've divided each page in 4 sections. So Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday is on one side, and the other side I have the rest of the days, but I've left some space in the side to have to track my weekly events. So if you're interested in doing that, the weekly events, that's just like 11 by 4 box, and here I'm just writing down the name of the days too.
Trying to hide, pass you by.
Now we move on to our final page, which is by far my favorite, and this is also one of the reasons why I like to bullet journal, and that is to create a page for memories for the month. So here I've written down June memories, and what I do is by the end of the month I'll go through my gallery and see what pictures I've taken in that month, and whatever is my favorite, I'll just take a print out of that and stick it here.
The sky and from the ground, up above just like below, and I don't know where I should go.
Here's the final flip through of the month, guys. If you like this, please do give me a thumbs up, and if you do recreate any of this, don't forget to tag me. I would really like that. And if you aren't subscribed, please do consider subscribing. With all that said, take care, and I'll see you in my next video.
Pretty girl writing love songs, but they're never for you.